Mr. Ouchy's First Day by B.J. Hennessy, illustrated by Paul Meisel. Chapter 1, Worries. Tomorrow is the first day of school. Mr. Ouchy is ready. He bought a new shirt, new pants, and a new pair of shoes. Today he got a haircut. Now it is time for bed. Mr. Ouchy sets his alarm clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Mr. Ouchy can't sleep. Tomorrow is the first day of teaching. Mr. Ouchy is worried. I hope I can find my classroom. Will I remember everyone's name? Will I be able to find the bathroom? Maybe I should wear my lucky blue shirt. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Mr. Ouchy is still awake. He tries counting sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sheep start to look like children. Robbie, Jake, Jennifer, Ann, Juanita, Sarah, Michael, Sam, Brett, Maggie, Jeremy, Rosa, Pat, Katie D, Terry, Larry, Mary, Lee, Alberto, Juan, Zachary. Shh. Shh. Mr. Ouchy's sleeping. Chapter 2, the first lesson. Good morning, class, said Mr. Ouchy. Good morning, teacher, says the class. My name is Mr. Ouchy, and I am your teacher this year. This is how you spell my name. Mr. Ouchy writes on the board, O-U-C-H-Y. Mary raises her hand. How did you get that name? Did they call you that because you got hurt a lot? She asks. No, it was my father's name, said Mr. Ouchy. Lee raises his hand. Your name rhymes with grouchy. Grouchy Ouchy. Are you a grouchy teacher? Asked Lee. You're right, Lee. Ouchy does rhyme with grouchy, but today I'm not grouchy. Today I am excited. It is my first day of teaching, and you are my very first class. And you can call me Mr. O. Okay, Mr. O, says the class. Chapter 3, Minutes. Larry raises his hand. Mr. O, how many minutes until recess? Mr. Ouchy looks at the clock. It's 9:30, Larry. Recess is at 9:55. There are 25 more minutes until recess. Everyone at Table 2 starts talking. Larry raises his hand again. Table 2 wants to know if that's 25 short minutes or 25 long minutes. What do you mean, Larry? All minutes are the same, says Mr. Ouchy. Oh, that's not true. Larry's right, says Sarah. When my mommy says I'll be off the phone in 1 minute, that is a long minute. But when she tells me we have a minute to go, that is a short minute. Juan raises his hand. When my daddy's watching football and he says there's only 1 more minute in the game, that is a forever minute. But when he says 1 more minute until bedtime, that is a little minute. I see, Mr. Ouchy says. Let me try to explain. Sometimes when people say in a minute, what they really mean is in a short time. It is usually a short time for them, but every real minute is the same. A minute is 60 seconds long. Everyone look at their clock, and when the little red hand gets on the 12, we are going to start counting slowly to 60. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. See, says Mr. O, that was 1 real minute, 60 seconds. Mr. Ouchy, that red thing on the clock doesn't look like a hand to me. How come you call it a hand? Robbie, I don't know why it's called a hand. It just is. But I do know that it is 9:55 and class, it is time for recess. Chapter 4, Great Expectations. It is almost time to go home. Today was a very busy day, said Mr. O. We read, we wrote, we counted, we learned names, we learned about time, and we started to learn how to work together. No wonder I'm tired, said Brett. There is one more thing I'd like us to do today, said Mr. O. Let's make a list of the things you would like to learn this year. Lee raises his hand first. Ooh, me, he says. I want to learn how to whistle. Terry is next. Can you teach us how to swing on a trapeze? Mr. O, I want to train my cat, said Maggie. And I want to learn how to make donuts, says Sam. I want to learn how to play drums, says Alberto. And I want to know how to play with a yo-yo, says Sarah. Can we learn how to draw dinosaurs? Asked Brett. And can you teach me how to hit a home run? Asked Jake. And just then the bell rang. It is time to go home. Wow, said Rosa, this is going to be a great year. The last chapter, Mothers. Today was a long day. Today was a good day, but Mr. Ouchy is tired and it is time for bed. Mr. Ouchy sets his alarm clock and gets into bed. He starts to read when the telephone rings. Hello, says Mr. O. How did your first day of school? Did you like your class? Was everyone nice to you? Did you get a haircut? What did you wear? It is Mr. Ouchy's mother. Hi, Mom. My day was great. Everything was fine. And yes, I got a haircut. I wore my blue shirt. And my class is the best, he tells her. No problems? No problem, says Mr. O. I hope school goes as well tomorrow, she says. Oh, me too. Mom, can you send your recipe for donuts? Donuts? Sure. Good night, Mom. Good night, sweetie pie. Sleep tight, she says when she hangs up. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Shh. Mr. Ouchy is sleeping. The end.